Sorry guys, back to the thing. So I probably showed the gigantic adventure mountain, but I didn't know I cancelled my video. I'm sorry, this is the other part. And I can't find it. Well, I guess we're not gonna find it. Oh wait, I found it. Adventure Mountain. Anyways, Yellow Imposter is next. He looks normal. Put that on. He's an imposter. RD Notches. Cool. I don't like him though. Monster one. Then it's cool, but it can't eat. Hold up, let me show you. Gotta find something feed it. Why is the teeth breakable? Why? Rhino Alpha Rex. My favorite one. Finger thing.
Sino?
Next time.
Nasaan na siya?
Parang sad girl yung isang anak.
Update lang siya eh.
Masarap mo na rin yun eh, di ba?
Oo.
It is different from the last one I showed you, because instead of a laser, it's just light. The other one was a laser, not light.
Diri ka para kang sad girl ah.
Lego T-Rex. Hold up, Killer Whale.
Alam mo, Ricky, hindi ako nakapasok. Kung alam ko lang, pinadala ko na sa yung payo ko.
Diri ka ba sa Clea?
Basahin dali mo. Ibaba mo, may isa salang ako sa sabay
Oh
ko.
wait, I realized I
Ibaba mo
showed
na
this in
ha.
a recent
Ka.
video.
Kasi babae mo yan.
Trabaho mo.
JP sponsors. I didn't show this one.
Rika.
Kasi dyan sa hanggang dito,
Weird,
tapos mataas
but
na
it's cool.
Yan dito.
Ilinis ang mount?
Oo.
Wala siyang masasakyan
Kaya
eh.
pumadaan na tricycle eh.
Na? Di na siya
Rika.
makakawa.
To mute? No.
Ibaba mo yan. Isabot
Get
ko.
this guy out of here.
Sinampay ko na lang sa taas.
How do I
Damit mo, damit mo. Ay, hope hindi babagsak yun ha. Huwag mo tatamaan kasi gaganon ka lang yung sampayan dito sa second floor.
Salamat po.
Sige.
Haven't tried
Si
it
Lola, susulong din sa bahay si Lola.
Tanga na yung surrounded nga sa Bulacan.
Lego T-Rex. Ignore the noise.
Balik na ako sa tabla! Senior ko! Senior!
Sabi pa niya dito.
Ginawa na rin si
Loading,
Lola.
loading.
Ginawa na rin. Ginawa na rin si Lola.
What is that voice? Sorry guys, I was being elaborated by
Ayan, kasamaan mo.
ano,
Sugod-sugod ka sa
my
pagyo.
people in my house. I hate them. They're so annoying. Finally, he's here.
Ang silikon. Bakit yung...
Took me so
Ay,
long.
dami na siya umili dinala niya isang payong, hiningi niya sa akin eh. Sa office. Iniwan niya. Ayun, iniwan niya. Ano to, tawakin niyo ba ako si Revin ah? Man.
Hold up, I think I've showed this in a recent video. Never mind.
Nag-angono pa kami.
Umit ka kayo. Pag ano po ako, umit pa kayo. May kasama ko lang yung car eh. Car ba?
Nag-angono kami kagabi.
Siguro hinahanap niya yung mga minumura niyang apo doon, tsaka anak.
What the heck's in there?
Oh! Sis,
Can you
sabi ko nga tangin na okay lang eh kung siya lang mag-isa. Ang problema kasama yung anak ko eh.
gigantic?
Diba?
Well, I took one blue save in YouTube and made it my own because
So, ano to? Wala na internet?
yes, bro.
Wala naman tayo.
My kuya said just ignored, just keeps attacking me. My brother, my big brother.
Lalo na magbaha, pinapatay niyo yung kuryente kasi.
Oh my God!
Kaso, wala naman silang sasabihin.
I'm gonna kick that guy's asshole right now if he comes back. Can't find anything. Oh, there's it. Mecha Godzilla rebuild. Gigantic. It's gigantic. Spinosaurus again. I don't know how many I need. Spinosaurus. And then the other Spinosaurus. This one was the old and the first one I spawned was the new. Cause bro is so sad. What is wrong, bro? Did I make you cry? What? Anyway. Jumbo Josh.
Buti nakauwi pa sila tayo, no? Bahala kasi sa masira.
Actually, I think I showed him. Never mind.
Kasi chinelas niya, pinalabas niya to.
Jormunjar or whatever it is. Jormunjar. And he takes up the entire earth.
Hindi naman makakarating.
You need to place him in the pool to fit. Bro's that big. He just needs to be in a pool.
Sa manhol dumaan ba? Mag-transform
Next
sa
one is
manhol.
kind of small.
Ala na, pag sa manhol na sila dumaan.
Sayang, chopper ko. Hindi kasi nakaparada dito eh.
Can you guess his name?
Sinexo na siya, di ba?
Write it down in the comments.
Chopper ko sana.
Next, Indominus Rex, except different. The thing is that now he's made out of a different metal. He's cooler. Doesn't like your ghost. Doesn't. Godzilla Ultima Rebuild. It's Ultima.
Stuck on you.
I found it. Okay, I think that's all of them. So, this is the end.
Wait, paano nito, Raven? May nireplyan ako sa work from home, no? Nagtitingin
What's
ako.
more than
Ang dami kasi scammer doon. Kunyari, ipopront nila work from home, tapos may lalabas na pera, mga bitcoin pala, no?
This is
May nakita ko doon, Sonia
wonderful.
pangalan niya, ibang lahi. Sinat ko siya noon, sabi ko, I'm interested. Tapos parang,
Give me all your money or else.
nag-send ata siya, hindi.
I won't.
Parang sabi niya ata sa
Then
marketplace,
die.
parang, ipapost ko yung Airbnb nila sa ibang bansa.
Kakaboy.
Eh baka mamaya may maklose akong customer, hindi naman nila ako bayaran, di ba? So hindi ako nag-ano.